They were just going to meet you. What street are we on?
We're on 20th.
We're on 20th.
Tell them to go up Connecticut.
Go north on Connecticut.
North on Connecticut, which is right as you pull out of Barbecue Central.
They said they're not going to meet us right now.
Oh.
So.
Or they're going to have in front of us.
I'll just call you.
Okay.
And I'll call you. Yeah, I'll call you when you guys leave. Because